Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add sign name fields in Docusign. Adding this field helps recipients know exactly where to place their signature, making documents easy and quick to complete. Now, let's get started. On the Docusign dashboard, we go to Templates. Here, we add the sign field to your documents. To do this, we click this Notarize. We edit this one as an example. Once we are here, we use it. Go to Next Add Field so we can add a field. For example, these are your signers. We add a signature field. Just drag and drop this signature field into the signer section. You can adjust the size as needed. Once we are satisfied with the angle or position, simply click Save and Close. After this step, the field is now added to your template on Notary. That is how we add a sign name field in Docusign. With the correct signature tags in place, your documents will be ready for a smooth and professional signing process.